Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can connect your OKX wallet to Vertus. Vertus is now in partnership with OKX. So guys, you're mining Vertus on Telegram. You can now connect your OKX wallet so that you can receive reward. You can see the notification I received immediately I opened my Vertus app. You can see it on Telegram. You can see what's written there. You have an upcoming event. Make sure to check it out and complete the tasks to earn rewards. You guys can see it. So what I have to do now is to tap on start. So guys, now you can see the tax right here. You can see the wallet. You can see total price $10,000, which is actually huge. So guys, in case you open your Vertus app on Telegram and you didn't get that notification you saw earlier on, you don't have to bother yourself. Let me show you guys how you can get here. So let me go back now. So guys, if you didn't get the notification once you open your Vertus, what you have to do now is to tap on storage. Let me tap on storage. Then you tap on events. You can see it right there, events. The arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see we are here again. This is where you're going to find the tax. So guys, now you can see the first task. You can see what's written there. They said sign up on OKX through Vertus and provide your UID. So guys, now the next one is they say get your first mystery box by verifying your identity, which is KYC on OKX. Then the third one they say make your first deposit. Then the fourth one ready to trade. And the last one, which is gain momentum. So guys, now I will show you guys how you can actually do the first two. The remaining task is left for you to decide. You can see they said make a deposit if you want to. You can see ready to trade. If you want to trade, you can go ahead and gain momentum if you're already trading. So guys, let me show you guys how you can do these two most important one, which is how to sign up on OKX through Vertus and provide your UID, and the second one, which is how to get your first mystery box by verifying your identity on OKX. So guys, it's very easy to do. So guys, now what you have to do now is to tap on join now. You can see where the arrow is pointing at. Once you tap on join now, you're going to be directed to the OKX sign up page. So you're going to be able to create an OKX account if you don't have. Then over to the second task, which is KYC. KYC simply means know your customer. So you have to verify your identity either with any of your government issued ID card, like your driver's license, your national ID card, passport, resident permit, and the rest of them. So whichever one that you have available, you can use it to actually verify yourself, your identity. Then you get the rewards. You can see the rewards for the first one, which is 500 Vertus coin. You can see the second one, 10 coin. So guys, it's actually easy to do. So guys, now let me show you guys how you can copy your OKX UID, which is your OKX user ID. So guys, now let me go over to my OKX account right away. So let me tap on join now. But guys, if I tap on join now, let me tell you guys something. If you already have an OKX account, what you just have to do is just to tap on join now. Once you tap on join now, it's going to direct you to OKX web page. What you have to do now is to come back to this place, come back to Vertus. Just tap on back. It's going to direct you here. Then you have to input your UID, your OKX UID, OKX user ID. So guys, that's what you need to do. So let me tap on join now. Since I already have an account, let me just tap on join now to show you guys what you have to do. So guys, now you can see it's directing me now to OKX web page. So what I have to do now is to cancel and tap on back. Let me cancel now. So guys, now you can see it has brought me back here. You can see what's written there. Price for sign up on OKX through Vertus and provide your UID. So guys, what you have to do now is to input your UID, your user ID, your OKX user ID. So guys, now let me show you guys how you can get your OKX user ID. Let me go over to my OKX app right away. Let me do that real quick. Let me make it very fast. I don't want this video to be too long. So guys, now you can see my OKX app is opening. So guys, now you can see my OKX account has opened up. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to tap on exchange. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, after that, what you have to do now is to tap on the menu icon at the top left corner. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, what you have to do next now is to tap on your profile icon. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see your OKX user ID right there being encircled. You can see the arrow is pointing at it. You can see it is written UID. So guys, now you can see the UID number right there. So guys, now for you to copy it, what you have to do now is to tap on the copy icon on the right hand side. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it now to copy it. So guys, now you can see copied. So guys, now I've been able now to show you guys how you can copy your OKX UID, your OKX user ID. So guys, what you have to do now is to go back to Vertus. So let me go over to my Telegram app now to open my Vertus. So guys, now you can see I'm back to Vertus. So let me go ahead now to paste my OKX user ID I just copied. So let me paste it real quick. So guys, now you can see I've pasted it. So guys, after you're done with this, what you have to do next is to tap on check. Then once you tap on check, then you're good to go. So guys, now what you have to do next is to go over to the second task, which is KYC. So guys, after you're done signing up on OKX, after you've created your account, the next task now is your KYC task, which is actually identifying yourself. So guys, like I said earlier on, you have to identify yourself with any of your government issued ID card, then you're good to go. So guys, after you're done with the first task, what you have to do now is tap on start. Once you tap on start, it's going to direct you to your OKX account. Here you have to verify your identity using your ID card. So guys, it's that easy. So guys, now I've been able now to show you guys how you can actually connect your OKX wallet or your OKX account with Vertus. So guys, I believe this was helpful. If it was, please consider liking, subscribing and leaving a comment, as that will help grow this channel. See you in our next upload. Bye.